Lukas here with FastCap, and this, as you might know, is a leaf blower. Important tool for doing pretty much any yard work, but there's one big problem with them. What do you do with it? How do you store it? Every time you want to grab it, down on the floor, you got this hose hanging everywhere. Got to bend over to fill the gas, got to bend over to choke it and turn it on. Until now, let me introduce you to the universal backpack stand. This guy is designed for your leaf blower or weed sprayer. It's got a nice curvature here, fits your butt nicely, fits almost any size butt, and it's got a separate little mount here for your blower hose. So now when you're done blowing, you just walk up, turn around, and it sets right there, and your hose snaps in right there. Stores clean and organized, out of your way, on your wall, and better yet, when you want to go ahead and fill it with gas, you can just rotate it on the stand, fill your gas right here, and you could even choke it and pull your cord right here. Then when you're ready to blow, it's right there. You just step in, grab your pieces, and away you go, ready to clean. Quick, easy, and nice. It's designed to fit any leaf blower, pretty much universal. Also has a little L cutout for your weed sprayer wand if you want to use it for a weed sprayer. And it's going to come flat packed. Assembly will have instructions, and it's a quick, simple couple of staples, a little bit of glue, and you're good to go. It's going to look a lot better than something you try to build yourself and take you a lot less time. Get yours at fastcap.com. You're going to love this product.